Hello again, fellow podcaster, and welcome back to Pod Theory. I'm your host, Jason Cercone, and today, let's talk about why viral is not as good as consistent. Have you ever posted something on social media that just took off? Almost immediately, people started liking it and sharing it and retweeting it and adding in their own comments. I remember once I had a post take off, and I never expected this. I found a meme of the Dos Equis guy that read, "I don't always dodge potholes, but when I do, I hit 4 more." I retweeted this and added, "Pittsburgh summed up in 13 words." Now, anyone who's driven the streets of Pittsburgh in the wintertime knows exactly what I'm talking about. And apparently it struck a chord with a lot of other Pittsburghers because a lot of people jumped on that and shared it and commented, and it was alive for a good 2 days. Back when I was running my craft beer blog, it was a piece of viral content that helped raise some awareness for my site. Now, I didn't expect to do what it did, and nor did I wake up that morning saying, okay, today's the day. Today's the day I'm producing a viral piece of content. It doesn't work that way. My goal was and is to produce quality content. I put together a list of 9 craft beer destinations in Pittsburgh that you need to visit today, and I gave reasons why each destination mentioned was worth the reader's time to frequent. And the next couple days saw a flurry of traffic to my site. And the rest is history. Now, the point of me telling you this isn't to brag about making content go viral. It's to prove a point. Sure, a piece of content going viral can be exciting and can generate some buzz for a few days. But what happens when that buzz fades away? Does a piece of viral content build an audience that keeps coming back for everything you do? Does a piece of viral content bring you a flood of new follows or likes? It may bring you a few at first, but if you don't take the next steps and engage with those new followers, all you're doing is inflating the vanity metrics. And vanity metrics don't lead to anything significant that can impact your brand. When my 9 destinations article went viral, my first thought was, okay, how am I going to follow this up? I didn't want to pretend that one article was going to change everything. It helped raise some awareness for my website, as I said before, but now that the site had eyes on it, it was up to me to produce quality content consistently. And that right there is the ticket. Producing consistent content that attracts, engages, informs, educates, entertains. It's way better than any piece of viral content. If you attract someone with a piece of viral content, you'll most likely fall out of their purview if you don't consistently put content they want to see in front of them. Or they may just get caught up in the next big wave of viral content that someone else puts out there, and then they're lost forever. A podcast provides the ultimate vehicle for creating consistent content. Whether you release new shows daily, weekly, bi-weekly, you have an opportunity to consistently put content in front of people at a specific moment. Once you get your listeners in the habit of expecting new content from you at a certain time, they're going to begin to depend on it. Additionally, people are going to become acclimated to your podcasting style, as well as the way you format your show, and any additional segments you may include as part of your podcast. If the format of your show features a consistent layout, listeners will come to know and appreciate that too. And if you focus on creating content consistently and a piece of it happens to go viral, consider it a bonus. The likelihood of that happening is going to increase if you focus on creating quality content consistently. In a digital world that features a lot of options for consumers, as well as a lot of noise, consistent is way better than viral. You can't control viral, but you can control consistent. And that's going to do it for today's session of Pod Theory. If you're looking for more podcasting resources or you'd like to connect with me directly, visit jasoncercone.com today. Good talk. I'll see you back here tomorrow. This has been Jason Cercone on Pod Theory.